So more recently, Chipmunk has released Chipmunk SEC Disclosure AI. Just as the name suggests, it is used for SEC disclosure research. Whether you are a investor relation team, or you're a financial reporting team, or you're an investment analyst, and if you want to research a lot of companies' SEC filings, and this is a perfect tool for you. And I want to show you where you can go onto my website and then basically go to the AI tab and then you can download SEC Disclosure AI here. And after you install the program to a local folder, it works similarly to Confide AI, where the first step is to download the SEC filings from the companies you want to download. Let me put it up. So first, SEC asks you to fill out your company name and email, and has a requirement for using a program to download SEC filings. And here I will say Chipmunk Robotics and Resound and chipmunkrpa.com. And here you can download the multiple company filings just in one go. You don't have to download you don't have to download by company. You can basically put all them together. Like for example, if I want to, let's say not Apple, like maybe NVIDIA, um, and AMD, so I can compare both semiconductor companies together. And I want say I want 10Q. And you can also download multiple filings like 10K and 10Q together. And here I will say I just want the latest 10Q and 10K filing. And you can actually download multiple latest filings if you need it. But for disclosure researches, normally we just want to see the most recent data. So let's say I will retrieve two latest filings of the 10K and 10Q from both NVIDIA and AMD. So with this, let me just click a button download, and then you can see the program quickly download all those filings locally onto your desktop. And uh, here, like if you want to use a paid AI version and you just want to use Chipmunk Disclosure AI just to download the filings, feel free to do so. Like at this step, it doesn't require you to initiate any AI functionalities yet. So you can use this program to quickly download any relevant SEC filings you want to use. And here, like I said, because we specify two latest filings, those two latest 10Qs with their period date are basically downloaded in here. And this is 10K, and this is 10Q for AMD, and this is 10K for AMD. So with this, we can initiate AI functions within the program. Just to make it quicker, I just want to I'm delete the rest. I just want to return the NVIDIA's 10K filings. And then I want to initiate AI. So I will provide a Chipmunk issued API key here. So it will tell me API key is set. Please initiate AI again. So I will click initiate. So after I click this button, what the program does is it's converting the local filings I just downloaded to a local database. So if I click here, you see there is a new folder called Disclosure AI database created, and this is the local vector database created based on the filing. So now the program tells me AI is ready to answer my questions now. I can ask how much revenue NVIDIA made in the last quarter. And let's see how AI tells me. So in the most recent quarter, which ended in April, reported total revenue of 26 billion. And with this being said, right, we definitely want to check whether the number AI's responses is correct or not. Like the warning said, although AI evolves rapidly, it certainly can err to your supplies. So here AI says 26 billion. I want to go to the file it just downloaded and check for myself, right? So, and I go to this and go to item 8. Actually, this is thank you. So I can just need to go to item one, and now I can see it's $26 billion, and which is exactly what AI tells me. And now I feel really good about this, right? And I can ask all kinds of other questions like, um, how much is well, actually, instead of asking for numbers, maybe I will ask, can you summarize the quarterly cash flow situation for NVIDIA? And please be specific. And let's see how AI respond to this question, right? And it gives me an overview of cash flows from operating activities, and then from investing activities and financing activities. So all those things, if I want to copy and paste my researches to a folder, I can just export the chat. So once I click export the chat history basically exported to the chat history txt file. So if I go back to the folder, you will see the chat history being exported here. And this is where I can just copy and paste into my research memo or any research things I want to do, right? So, and this is a very quick use of SEC Disclosure AI made by Chipmunk Robotics. And I hope you really enjoy this program. And this is really fast, and this is the new way of researching SEC disclosures, leveraging generative AI, and it's very much affordable too. So, and what we just did, it probably just only cost me a couple of cents, compared to a couple of $1,000, like some large accounting firms charges you to access to their disclosure database. So, and this is basically the most convenient, efficient, and effective way to do SEC research going forward. And I hope you really enjoyed this program, and please let me know if you have any questions on this.